What we have is a spiral gasket winding machine. It allows us to custom wrap spiral wound gaskets to order, whether it's ID, OD. Many different valves require different sizes, and on supply and demand, you have a long lead time to wait for them, so now we have the capability of doing in-house, same day, making gaskets. On the machine, you have your inner spool that's for winding your gasket. You have your pressure and form wheel. Your material, 125 or 175, you have your forming wheels, which actually put the pre-bend in them before it gets wound. Same thing with your forming wheels for your graphite, and you have your graphite spool up top. Your electrodes that are used to weld both inner and outer rings of it, as well as your popper handle for when you're done. So everything that you do triggered on this has to be with both palms engaged on it, along with the finger buttons on it. So what it does is it automates the welds. Right now it's putting 6 unified tacks in it on the inner ring. That's to hold it to make sure it doesn't pop apart. Now we go into wrapping 2 additional coils on the inside of it. That helps prevent it from extruding out when it gets crushed down and under pressure. And this is the part where we get to introduce the graphite to it. Right here, what it's doing is the graphite's the actual sealing agent in it. The steel's pretty much to hold the form. We're rotating it and actually winding it up until we achieve the outer diameter that we want. That's the part that's crucial to every valve. We needed a 3-inch OD in this case. We'd break our filament or our filler graphite. And now the automations actually help us a little bit, again, unifying the welds on the outside of it. And then we bring it in for one last one. And we finalize the final weld right at the tail to make sure that it doesn't separate. Get the final gasket.